Okay, so over the last couple of weeks, in the last couple of videos, I've been talking about data. I spoke about job titles. I've spoken about the things that I do with my data. Now that means that I've got data coming into my business, and those records that are coming in are users of this application, Contact Enhance, that I've built. Now, a lot of people have been asking me about how, on my own, I'm able to generate my own leads without having a team of people, assistants, marketing guys, all that kind of stuff. And I have created some kind of lead generation on Autopilot system that is using Contact Enhance. The way in which I've done it is when somebody registers on my website, Contact Enhance uses artificial intelligence to research that email address. So it finds out the company name, it finds out information such as the business size, the location, the business description, the job title of the person that registered, even if they only left an email address. So that's artificial intelligence. That is using all of our different resources to find out what the company is, what they do, where they are, and who it is that's registered. Now that's great that somebody's come along and registered. However, what's really interesting then is that Contact Enhance roams the web, the World Wide Web, for people that match that profile. So they work for similar companies of a similar size, sometimes in a similar location. That's not necessarily important for my business, but certainly the job title is. For example, they might be the email marketing manager, or they might be the marketing director. It goes out and it roams the web and it finds 6 or 7 people. Sometimes it finds 100 people, but often it finds 6 or 7 people. And then it puts their email address into reply.io. That's reply.io. And then reply.io drops them a quick email from me, from my own contactenhance.com email address, to say, who is it that's in charge of your marketing? I've designed something and I'd like to hop on a call and give you a demo. Now I get a 23.6% average response rate to those emails. Some of those responses are saying, I'm not interested, we do our own marketing in-house, just not interested, leave me alone. But other people, they come back and say, this is quite interesting, tell me a little bit more. That's a lead. When I reply to that person from my Gmail inbox, I BCC in my email address in HubSpot, and then it monitors, manages, tracks all of my conversations with that person up until such point that they may become a customer of the system themselves. So that's a little bit about how I'm doing my lead generation. That feature that I just spoke about, the lookalikes, is not available to the public right now. You can use Contact Enhance to enhance your existing data, to find out about the data that's on your database, what company names they are, all that kind of stuff. But you can't find it to use lookalikes, to find lookalikes right now. But you will be able to within the next few days, we're hoping. The development team are working really hard on putting together the technology that we've already got running for us in-house into the actual app so that our customers can use it. If that's of interest to you, get in touch with me, because I would love some people just to test it and give me feedback and let me know what it's doing, how it's behaving. Don't forget, we're using artificial intelligence here, and it's just, you know, we just don't know sometimes what on earth it's doing. And we'd also like to use some machine learning. So we'd like to get feedback from our customers. We'd like to somehow get feedback from the responses that our customers are getting, to edit our algorithms so that the lookalikes that it then finds are even better. So using artificial intelligence and machine learning is just, it's a great combination, and we'd love to have some people test it. There's a typical 14-day free trial on Contact Enhance anyway, But and that will include that. So do get into contact with me if you're interested in getting more out of the system around the lookalikes thing, or if you just have any questions in general, leave comments in the post. I'm always on my YouTube channel, even though I only have 12 subscribers at the moment. I got 74 views on my video the other day, which is great. It may have been my son downstairs just viewing it 74 times to make me feel good. But regardless, it is growing and I'm starting to get people email me, stuff like that. So feel free to do that. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye.